Park your ego at the door.
I have a fictitious book with all the answers for business. What chapter would you think most companies should read?
Well, chapter 1, park your ego at the door. I have seen more businesses fail because the owner, the boss, the startup's kids think they're better, smarter than the people that work for them, and they're not.
And sadly, I've worked for companies like that.
Yeah, I had one where about once a year he'd take us all outside and point out that was his name on the wall. Actually, it was his father's name, but it was his name as well. And if we didn't like it, we didn't have to go back inside.
Oh, that's saying something, wouldn't you say?
Motivation, absolutely. The top 5 ways to avoid penalties. The first thing is accuracy. Most of the errors the IRS finds are arithmetic or putting the wrong number in the wrong spot. So pay attention to the numbers. The next thing is timing. Make sure all your deposits are made on time. 1 second late, there's a penalty. 1 second will cost you a substantial penalty. Know when to file them. Know what to file. File your returns on time and make sure they're absolutely accurate. So arithmetic, filing your deposits on time, making sure your deposits are right, filing your forms on time, and making sure they're right. Those are the top 5 ways to avoid penalties.
Why do you think that there's this cognitive dissonance between small business owners and doing things the right way with taxes?
Well, doing things the right way seems like it's very expensive. And if you fudge on your taxes, you can save some money. I don't recommend it because when you get caught, what you saved is a pittance to what it'll cost you. None of us like to pay taxes.
Right.
It's expensive. And, when we see where it goes, so much of it goes to waste.
You're not kidding about that.
It's like in payroll. Well, right. I'll just pay them under the table. That's fine until one of them goes down and files for unemployment.
That's right.
And the auditor comes out and you're screwed. You got to follow the law. If you don't want to, that's fine. But when you get caught, don't cry on my shoulder.